Now let's look at deriving the shortcut. Use the chain rule to differentiate y equals e to the 7x. So using the chain rule, we let u equal 7x. That means our y is now e to the u. Differentiate both of those. Du dx is 7. dy du, which we've just learnt, is e to the u. On your formula sheet, dy dx equals du dx multiplied by dy du. Substitute in the information. So we've got 7 e to the u, and then we need to just put u back in. So 7e to the 7x. Compare to the original, and hopefully you notice that that 7 is the derivative of the power. So let's find a general rule. Y equals e to the f of x. Let u equal f of x. So y equals e to the u. Differentiate each thing. Du dx is f prime of x. Dy du is e to the u. Write our chain rule formula. Substitute in what we just found, so that it will be f prime x multiplied by e to the u. Go back and substitute what u was. It'd be e to the f of x, and that there is our general rule. So if we have y equals e to the f of x, dy dx equals the same thing multiplied by the derivative of the power. That's not on your formula sheet. You need to remember it, or you can always use chain rule. The next video will go through some examples.